Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of an Scmi Uno wide belt sander. If you have questions about availability or pricing, please go to 360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. At any given time, we are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines that are not listed, so remember to check back often. This is a 36-inch wide Scmi Uno wide belt sander. Nice, clean, small shop owned machine, and it really does show. First off, we take a look at the feed mat. It's only been dressed a handful of times. It's at about 3/4 inch life. There are no flat spots, valleys, pits, cuts, rips, or tears in that feed mat. This machine is powered by an 18 horsepower main motor. It's 234 60 volt, currently wired to 30 volt. This is an air tracking machine. I really actually like air tracking. The main drum is steel, so you don't have to worry about nicks and blemishes. That's really nice for solid wood. There's brand new graphite on that platen. As you can see, it's really in great shape. Before turning an air tracking machine on, you simply have to come in and turn your air on. Don't come in, you'd hit your reset, then turn your head on. Or turn the conveyor on. Again, a really nice, strong running machine. Nice clean case. It needs nothing. It's fully functional. There's no air leaks. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.